Welcome to the 13th anniversary of Mitsubishi Owners Day.
We got a great day planned for you guys. We've got the van skate ramp going off.
We've got raffles going on.
You can go over to our test drive. You can test drive the all-new Eclipse Cross. And speaking of the Eclipse Cross, we're gonna have some amazing performance here from the one and only Harry Mack.
My Day 2018, make some noise if y'all feeling yourselves today. Yeah, listen, you at the wheel feeling like a big boss in the all-new 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Once again, my name is Harry Mack. I'm gonna be moving about throughout the event for the rest of the day, doing freestyles, hanging out with you guys, checking out the cars we got out here today. I be speaking the language that's universal. I rapped about this car in the commercial. Got the type of style that can never be diminished. Thanks for letting me rhyme about your car. Now we finished. Check it, I'm about to bring you rappers to the slaughter. These dogs in good hands with a bowl full of water. Off the top, you know they heard me. A Montero ain't dope unless it's kinda dirty. Thank you. H-Mac, I keep it moving. When I do it, it ain't nothing. We bumping. Yo, he got the whip that you can plug in. Yeah, one time, my liver's bad for your health. And when you hit the brakes, the battery charges itself.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.